Today, I'll be teaching you the 6th class of the 4th part of war drum. The first line is Ta Zo Yo, I San, Ta Zo Yo, I San Se O, Ta Zo Yo, Ta 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 Zo Yo. On Ta Ta Ta, you hit while squatting down. Now let's try it on the drum 3 times using the speed of 100. Ready?